What's going on, guys? Rich Styles here. Today we're gonna be doing something a little different. We're gonna be doing a follow along breakdance class for beginners, all right? So we're gonna be doing a bunch of moves, putting them together, making a set, if you will, okay? So let's get started. Also, before we begin, this video is sponsored by Skillshare. Don't forget to check out the link in the description below to get 2 months for free, learn some skills. You can also take my brand new How to Breakdance for Beginners class. Just click on the link in the description below. You can try it for free, and if you want to stay and learn other skills like video editing, video producing, that would be awesome as well. All right, let's get started. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to do a top rock, then we're gonna do some footwork, and we're gonna end it off with a freeze. Okay, so there's gonna be a beginning, middle, and an end. All right, so the first one we're gonna do is called an Indian step. Okay, Indian step, front step, whatever. I learned this as an Indian step, okay? So first thing we're going to do is we're going to cross our foot on top of the other one, okay? So we're gonna go right foot, cross, then left foot, cross, right foot, cross, left foot, cross. Cool? So we're gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice? That's 1 8 count. All right, so after that Indian step, we're going to do a kick twist. So that kick twist goes like this. We're gonna take our left foot, kick it forward, almost like we're kicking a soccer ball or something like this. So we're gonna boom, all right? And that is gonna be our prep. So we're gonna go kick, and then from here, we're gonna switch feet, all right? And then we're going to twist to our left. Boom. As you can see, my upper body doesn't move. It's just my legs. Okay, so from the side, it's gonna go boom, switch, twist. Cool? All right, so from there, we're gonna go kick, switch, twist. Kick, switch, twist. All right, and then we're gonna do to the other side. So after we do kick, switch, twist, we're going to do the same thing with the other leg. Kick with the right, switch, twist. All right? So we're gonna do 4 of those, 2 on each side. So we're gonna go 5, 6, 7, slow. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. All right? So from the top, we're gonna go Indian step or front step, and then kick twist. Cool? So 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom. All right, top rock, done. Now we're gonna go transition into the floor. All right, we're going to do something called a knee drop. If you guys want to know a little bit more detail how to do the knee drop, I just released a video on how to do the knee drop and how to do it safely. But for now, we're just gonna keep trucking on, all right? So after we did our kick twist, we're going to jump onto our left leg, and we're gonna sprawl out, which means that my limbs are gonna be out here, okay? This makes it more dynamic, makes it big. So here, we're gonna go down to the floor. Remember, bring your knees to the floor. Do not hit your knee on the floor. Okay, so we're here, and we're gonna go down. From here, we're going to lean back and then kick out. We're gonna do a kick out, 45 that way, and then 45 this way. So we're gonna go here, kick, bring it in, okay? Switch hands, kick, bring it in. Cool? So let's try that. Slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good? Now From here, we're going to bring our hands forward. 7, and then 8. 8 is going to be like we're in a push-up position. This is where we're gonna do the 6th step, okay? So on 8, we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See, we didn't finish that last 6th step. We just finished it right here, okay? So let's try it slow. From the knee drop. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right? Now with this hand, you can do whatever you want. You can put it here, put it up here, you can point. It's all up to you, doesn't really matter. Okay, let's go. From the top, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Now from here, we're going to put our right foot out, reverse the movement, going back into our push-up position, okay? Now from here, we're gonna do something called a fish hook or a hook, okay? So when we're here in the push-up position, we're gonna slide our right leg underneath. See? Okay, so from here, I'm just gonna slide it out and then kick. This is called a scissor right now. We're scissoring our left foot over our right, and we're going to bam. Okay? That's called a hook or a fish hook. So again, we're right here. This is where we last left. Our right leg, step out, push-up position, right leg under, boom. Okay? So I'm on my knee on this one. And then this is the shape that I'm doing. Trying to make this shape, okay? All right, let's try it all, put it all together. All right, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boom. Now we gotta get up. So from here we're gonna go back down. We're trying to reverse the movement. So here, reverse it. 7, 7, and then we're gonna get up by taking our back leg and then going up and then twisting up. You can pose like this, doesn't really matter, okay? So let's put all that together, and that is it. We're gonna put it all together, ready? 5, oh boy, sweaty. All right, and that is it. So easy. All right, All right, guys, that is the class. If you had any more questions, put it in the comments down below. Let me know if you got that whole thing or if you need another class tutorial to break down these moves even more, all right? Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to do everything that YouTube tells you. Hit that notification button, I don't know, all right? And don't forget to thank our sponsor, Skillshare. Goodness me, I'm out of breath. Yes, I want to thank our sponsor, Skillshare, for sponsoring this video. Don't forget, check out the link in the description. 2 months free. You can't lose. Check out my courses. Check out other people's courses. You know, get the juices of your mind flowing. And until next time, peace. Ugh.